Hey everybody, Scott Tanner coming to you live right here at Sunset Kia Mitsubishi, and I have a new friend of mine. Ron is in the house. Ron, how you doing?
I'm doing great.
Perfect. Now you stopped by the other day by the Mitsubishi building, which is right just across the parking lot, and you were looking at Outlander Sports.
That's true, yes.
And what attracted you to the Mitsubishi Outlander Sport?
It's we had an older one.
Uh-huh.
We liked it, and we wanted to upgrade to a 2018.
Perfect. You took advantage of 0% interest
That's true, for 72 months.
for 72 months, and oil changes for life, and warranty protection for life.
That's true, that's another advantage.
Perfect. How was your experience here at Sunset?
It was great, it was seamless, it was easy, no pressure, like clockwork. It was really good.
Perfect. Well, we've enjoyed working with you. We look forward to working with you in the future. We're here for all your automotive needs. And then you did mention something to me. You're like, Scott, something about that gong. Are you ready to do the gong?
I want to do the gong really bad.
All right, here we go. 3, I want you to hit it loud. 2, 1. Woo! Congratulations.
Thank you.
And your wife, Sue's in the background. She's relaxing with a Mai Tai, I think, right now.
Yep.
She
That's
is.
her.
Congratulations, my friend.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Make it a great day. Find out what everybody's talking about. It's the Sunset Experience at Sunset Kia Mitsubishi. Have a great day.